At BirthFit, we're encouraging our moms to look at their birth as an athletic event. So very similar to any huge competition that athletes are used to, moms are going to be training for about 40 plus weeks to get up to this event. They're going to have a huge day where they're expecting a lot out of their body. And then they're going to really need to pay attention during the recovery stage to make sure that their body is adapting well to having just gone through something major. So with a lot of my moms, I'm treating them before, sometimes during, and then as soon as possible after the birth, just like I would with any athlete. So in addition to the major athletic event that birth is, moms are going through a lot of physical changes, and that's why it's important to go see a chiropractor at that point. Instead of the center of gravity being further out as it is when there's a baby in utero, it's the center of gravity is moving closer to a neutral position. The spine is actually having changes where the thoracic cage rounds a little bit more forward and the thoracic kyphosis increases during pregnancy, and then therefore the lumbar spine increases the lordosis, or that sway back. Those are going to start to return to a more neutral position. So it's important to go see a chiropractor at that time because we can determine if things are moving too little or moving too much. If things aren't moving enough, then that's where we would adjust and increase motion in those joints. If things are moving too much and a little unstable, then we can give exercises, do some kinesiotaping or other stability work to help moms in their recovery. So moms that I will see either immediately after the birth at the birth center or the hospital or their home, or I'll go do a home visit afterwards, they're reporting a lot better recovery. And 2 weeks postpartum, they're already well into the recovery stage and still, instead of feeling kind of sluggish at that point. So these women are able to return to activity faster and safer and are just reporting better outcomes.